Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So this is part one of a 3-video series that I'm doing on how to get you prepared for the Cheltenham Festival in 2022 to make as much money as possible when you're looking at doing match betting throughout the 4 days of the festival. The second video of this series, which will be talking about the best bookmaker accounts to use at Cheltenham Festival 2022, will be out on Friday the 21st of January. And the third video of the series, which will be the best strategy and how you should form your day and your routine each day of those 4 days, will be out on Friday the 28th of January. So of course, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're interested in checking those out. Before we get into this video though, which is going to be how to prepare yourself for Cheltenham, I'll just quickly mention the Profit Boss Match Betting Facebook group for those of you that aren't yet joined up, and the Profit Boss free offers page, which is just a page I put together sharing lots of non-match betting welcome offers where you will genuinely earn free money on there. So it's well worth checking out. Links for those down below. Getting into the video though, I'm going to share with you my 4 main tips really for preparing for this epic 4 days of horse racing. And tip number 1 is going to be making sure that you book the week off work. So it's the 15th to the 18th of March. That's the Tuesday to the Friday. And yeah, it's such an important tip, I think, because it's a question that I get asked a lot, actually. Should you book the time off work? And yeah, without a doubt, you just need to have that time available there for you to be placing the bets, keeping track of them, and getting through all of the offers. If you try and do it while you're at work, it's going to be really, really difficult, and you'll miss out on a load of profit, basically. Tip number 2 is really aimed at people that haven't yet started match betting, and it's to get all of the welcome offers done and get signed up to all the different bookmakers, the main ones anyway, at least 2 weeks before Cheltenham Festival. So get signed up, get everything set up well before the 1st of March, really, because if you leave it to like the last week, you may find that you're trying to verify ID on your accounts, or something might happen and it just won't be as smooth to do the match betting offers in that week of Cheltenham when it's really, really hectic. If you are one of those people watching that's not yet started match betting, don't forget to check out the promo codes down below. One will get you 12 days for £1 and the other 50% off your first month of OddsMonkey. OddsMonkey, of course, being that match betting software that provides you with all the tools, all the guides, and everything you need to make money with match betting. And their software's helped me make just over £27,000. Tip number 3 is going to be to get a notepad or Excel sheet ready. So a notepad that I use, so I'll just show you this one that I used to write the script down for this very video. This is the kind of notepad you want, just a huge notepad where you'll be able to write down all of the bets that you're placing, which account it's been placed on. If you're multi-accounting, so say you are setting up with your own accounts and your partners, maybe your brother or your sisters, etc., or maybe even parents, you want to be able to write down their names, which account it is, which name, etc. And if you're trying to do this in that week of Cheltenham without logging all your bets down, you're just going to get so confused, and so you just don't know where anything will be happening. So definitely a big tip there is to properly track everything so that you know exactly what bets have been placed and for what offers. And then finally, tip number 4 is to have your money in the right place as you get to Cheltenham. So I like to use the 50-30-20 rule, which is 50% of your money in your Smarkets account, so in your betting exchange, 30% of your money in your bank account, and then 20% of your money, so this is the total amount you have available for match betting, spread across the various bookmakers. So for example, if you are, you have a budget of £1,000 that you're going to put into match betting for the Cheltenham Festival, 50% of course would then be in your Smarkets account, so £500 there, 30%, so £300 in your bank account, and 20%, the 200, in your split across your bookmaker accounts. And that's because you want the majority in your exchange, because you're covering all the liabilities of the bets. The liabilities are usually much, much larger than the back stake amounts. And you want a good portion of money in your bank account, so that if bets are winning to bookmakers and you need to put more money into your exchange, or vice versa, wherever you need to put the money, you want some reserved cash available in your bank account so you can put it where it needs to go, and not be kind of short of money to cover any bets for any offers that you might find. If you've had any value from this video, please do press the like button, and I hope you can join me next Friday for that video that I'm going to do, sharing all the best bookmaker accounts for Cheltenham Festival 2022. Until next time though, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.